Don't let this puppy sadness look fool you. You really want some there. It's all ready. I'm ready. Let's try and get this thing set up. So, where's the boy? That's about usually where his head goes. I'll get you closer once I get him in. Oh. Okay, Max. Ready or not, here I come. I'm gonna find you and make you clean. Get my old towels. Got the old towels. Shut the doors, you do not want them coming in. Hey, baby. Come here. Let's see, let's watch. Ready or not, here we come. Woo! Come on, get in there. Get in there. Come on, get in. In. Come on. You see bubbles, you don't know what to think. This way. Don't be growling at me. I know, it's like snow, but it's clean stuff. Okay. Scoop, but it's still warm. There you go. Don't be growling at me. Pull up my pants some more. Okay. I know. You like it now. You like it a lot, don't you? That boy's been itchy. Get all that salt off them tootsies. I think people forget. When you take your dog out in the winter, especially if it's on public roads, all that mess that's put on the roads to treat them burns their tootsies. And I just can't see Max wearing shoes. You want to try and wear shoes one day? Huh? You want to wear shoes one day? Woo. I'll get you in the collar. And Max has been yeasty, so I'm going to be using this Dandruff shampoo. It's the green stuff, not Head and Shoulders. This does help. It does help. Yes, it does. Oh, I love you too. You just kissed me. Oh. We got chickens, so every now and then I squirt them with some other stuff. And we got crows. Natural things. Oh yeah, get you all shoppy shop. Oh. Right now he's saying, Mommy, my face don't need it. You can do anything. Just gonna do my face. I know. This water don't taste good, does it? Not like snow. They're all soapy. I might have to get me some new water. Yeah, you don't like that. There we go. He likes it warm. Yeah, I got the water too, Sophie. It's okay, baby. Look at my pants wet. Back it up. Max, you're backing it up right in the faucet. How does that feel? Let's get back. Get back. Okay. Woo, you're hiding from your people. Max, people want to see you get in the bath. Go! Little brother, come on, Max. You just pulled the drain. Woo! So fun. People, never a dull moment when you're bathing, I guess, any dog. I know. I still gotta cream rinse you. I feel like you're trying to get me some dress cloths right here. What are we gonna do? Oh, that'd be so cool if I could get pink on you. Ooh. Oh, I just realized something. If you had a white poodle, I bet you could take this stuff and put it on your white poodle, and if you can. Somebody please do that and tell me if it works. I bet it works. I bet, and it'd be safe. And it'd be so dang cute. You could do all kinds of colors if you did that. Oh. I'm free cleaning now. His hair's everywhere. Max, did I get it all? Okay, hold on. Let's get you some coconut. Woo! Let's cream rinse you right quick. Hey, baby. Okay. Woo. I'm getting up under your undercarriage. Up scrub. Up scrub. That's what you men call it. Okay, we gotta hit your back her up there, buddy. There you go. I gotta get your tackle box. Boy, that's a lot of hair on your little tail. It's a shame you weren't a girl. I could braid it. Okay. And then once you get your foot out of the drain and let it drain, you cutie. Did you notice? I didn't. Here, I'm just gonna do it with my hands. I guess it's called a dog whore bath. There we go. Okay. Here we come. Woo! Come here, boy. I know. Let's get some better lighting. Woo. Stop. Toilet paper's precious. I'm not trying to molest you. I'm trying to dry you. Okay. Woo. Hey, boy. Are you a happy boy? Oh. Hey. I know. You know. Bless you. Oh. Next area. Sometimes